Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Right, I'm in the garden now. I've just been doing a bit of weeding. I've come across this Comfrey plant. I've got it in several places, as you can see here. These weren't even planted. These were just bits of roots that got mixed up with some compost that I moved from one area of the garden to the next. But one thing I will say about them is once you do get them in your garden, they're really difficult to get rid of. So what I'm going to be doing with these, as I go around, I'm going to be digging them up. First of all, cut all the leaves back here. I will dig the crown up and I'm going to divide that. Then I'm going to put them in these pots here. And then put them in bigger pots next year after the winter. Probably a couple of gallon pots, probably 12 inches high by 12. So yeah, these are past the best now. So I'm going to show you how I dig them up and how I divide the root ball. First of all, this is what I use. My garden shears, my little pruners there, also a nice knife. So first of all, let's get in here and get this cut out. Let's really get to it now. All this is high in nitrogen, and you can bury this, cut it up into smaller pieces, bury it where you want it. It'll rot down, it'll produce some really nice fertiliser for your plants for next year. That's what I'll be doing with that in a bit. Right, let's get this dug up then. I say excuse the wind noise, it's really blowing a gale here, but I have took the leaves off. Get my spade now, get in there and dig the crown up. You want to dig all the way around, deep as you can go. You'll hear the sort of crack like that. You can see there, look at the size of those roots, absolutely humongous. But that's a beautiful crown that. I'll divide that in a second. If you don't want it spreading, you need to try and get not just one on the top. I'll show you how to do these so you can get more plants out of these as well. But yeah, you need to go in there. I will go and get some more of these done later on off camera. I'll actually show you how to plant these to get more plants as well. So first of all, let's start by dividing this crown, shall we? Right, yeah, this is the crown. I've filled my pots up with garden soil, which is, my garden soil is pretty good now, so it should be fine. Don't know if for compost. Yeah, here, as you can see here, we've got the crown. That's what you want to do. I like to get a nice knife with serrated edge, get in there, and then simply down the middle like so. You could stop at that, but then you can really go to town with these. Split them into 4 like so. You could go even small if you wanted to, but these take a longer time to come back. And trim these roots off like that. Produces, yeah. So yeah, you can use compost for this, but I'm in the garden. I'm not going to bother going to the greenhouse just for this. What I need to do now, make sure that the roots are nice and tidied up, like so. In here, like that. Bit of soil around them. Water them in and place them somewhere where they get some sun, just out of the way, so you can forget about them till spring now. These will grow lovely, these. So yeah, that's how to dig up and divide your Bergamot plants. No, not your Bergamot, forget that. Your Comfrey plants. I'll dig them up and divide them. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe, everybody.